Hello everyone, my name is Gyan, also known as Nyan Lakshmi, and I'm based out of Bangalore, India. So the project that I'm looking at is at an intersection of education and technology. I'm working on a project called Web3 EXP, which aims to break the barriers to entry to blockchain. Basically, anybody should be able to build on top on blockchain, and the my project would be targeted towards building a community where minorities, in fact, I'm passionate about diversity and inclusion, so more women as well as devs who would like to move to blockchain. So here there are two things that the project would be targeting. One is creating events which will help devs understand about the different layer ones. The second is having mini boot camps where if you have just minimal development experience, or you are even a fresher, you can easily get onboarded onto developing on top of blockchain. And the third and the most important is the gap in mentorship. If anybody wants to get started in the space of blockchain or has an idea, they want to connect with experienced folks to understand how to take that idea forward. And this kind of connect is missing at the moment in the community, except it's in ad hoc different spaces. This is what I want to bring together in Web3 XP. My experience as a person who's been managing communities, I started a Women Who Code blockchain community, which was centered towards getting more women in the blockchain space. I've also been quite active with the Women Who Code Bangalore community, so I manage a lot of events and things associated with the community. I'm one of the regional leaders for the Covalent India community as well. So I manage that. I work as a part of the Near India Guild, so I manage the Near India community a bit as well. Apart from that, I have been an ambassador with several layer one chains and have experience developing on various different chains as well. This is what I would like to contribute to the accelerator, my experience with respect to development on different chains and how I've looked at different projects from an architecture perspective or from a development perspective. What I would like to gain from the accelerator is more understanding about the tokens. How do I position my token? How do I build a community around the cause that I'm working with? And understanding a little bit more about the community, being able to interact with them, and being able to position my token as a token that can be utilized by the community to get something for them from my project. So that's about me and my project. I'm looking forward to all the feedback from the accelerator folks, and really grateful for this opportunity to be able to apply to this cohort. Thanks, everyone.